In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Word for less. If you like this video, feel free to like it and subscribe. Let's get started. If you go to the official Microsoft.com site, you can compare their subscriptions to get software like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. And you can see that it will cost you about $10 per month or $7 per month if you choose the personal plan. That's relatively expensive for some people, and that's why I'm going to share with you the trick I use to pay less for all these subscriptions. It's thanks to the subscription sharing platform GamesGo, which is a platform that allows multiple people around the world to share premium subscriptions together and thus get a discount on the price. As you can see here, you have Office 365, the Microsoft suite to get software like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and so on. And it will only cost you $367, which is half the price. It's a site that works really well, and you have the link right below the YouTube video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment under the video. All you have to do is click on it, and you'll be automatically redirected to the GamesGo platform. Next, in the top right corner, you can create an account in just a few minutes. You can do it with a Gmail address like this. Once you're logged in on the homepage, if you scroll down, you'll see the Office 365 option available. Just click on it, and you'll see that it will give you access to all these software programs for half the price. I've been using the GamesGo platform for over a year now, and it allows me to save a lot of money every month. I'm really very satisfied. It's a 100% secure platform, so all you have to do is click on Join Now. You can choose a subscription period ranging from 3 months to 6 months. You can also choose whether or not to activate the auto-renewal option for an additional discount. Just so you know, if you take a 6-month subscription, it will only cost you $334. It's really a great deal. And then you can even add a promo code GUMMY, like this, to get an additional discount on the price. Then you click on Proceed to Payment. You can pay by credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. It's a 100% secure platform. Once you've completed the payment, you'll instantly receive your logins and password to access your account. Office 365? In your subscription section on GamesGo, right here. Then all you simply have to do is log into your account on the official Microsoft.com site to easily download and install all of the software and use them unlimitedly on your computer or mobile phone.